Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to learn that how can we delete data from our list. So for this let's consider an example. I am going to create a list called fruits and this list contain 5 elements. So orange, banana, pear, apple and suppose kiwi. So we had these 5 elements are in our list fruits. So first method we have pop method. By using pop method we can delete any element from our list. We just have to write the index. So how can we use this method pop? So fruits dot pop and then suppose we want to delete apple from our list. So apple is at 0, 1, 2, add our third index. So we just have to write the index of the element which we want to delete and then we can print our list here. As you can see, if I run this program, you can see here after pear we have kiwi. Apple has deleted because at third index we have apple. So what if we do not write any index here? So if I run this program, you can see here if we do not write anything in pop method, so it automatically delete our last element which is present at the last of the index, at the last of our list. So we have another method which we call del statement. So if I commit this pop method, this del statement works same as a pop method. So what is the syntax of del method? After del gap and then the name of our list, and then we have to write the index, the element which we want to delete here. So we can write, suppose I want to delete orange from our list, so I can just put 0 here and then if I run this program, we have to use square brackets because it is the del statement. So we are using a statement here del. So when we use del statement, we have to use square brackets uh, when we write our index. So as you can see here, if I run this program, you can see at 0th index orange is disappeared. Why? Because del statement works same as pop method. So we have another method, we called it remove method. So the benefit of remove method we have, if we don't know what if we don't know the exact index of the element, so it does not require index. So it does not require index to delete the element from our list. Suppose I am going to create another I copy this list from above example and print it here. So what is the syntax of remove method? Re fruits dot remove. So we don't have to write the index of the element, we can write directly the element here. So suppose I want to delete pear from our list, so we can directly write the element name here. So it remove method will delete pear from our list. We don't have to write index of this element. So I can print. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see here pear at any index has deleted because remove method does not require index. So it is very useful in programming. If we don't know the exact index of our element which is present in the list, we can delete it by using remove method. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. In next video, we will discuss more about list. Thank you very much for watching.